Hello Rain class, Mr. Monroe here with some maths. I love rolling dice, guys. Watch this. You notice those two numbers there? Can you notice that they're exactly the same? This one has 1, 2, 3, and this one has 1, 2, 3. This is what we're learning today, children. We're learning all about doubles. Doubles is where you have two numbers that are exactly the same. So as you can see with my dice, there's 3 this side and 3 this side. So we could have 3 and a 3. Doubles just means adding those two numbers together. We can just count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we know that 3 add 3 makes 6. Nice and simple, guys, you see? Let me show you how that looks in a part whole. So it's actually really quite simple. Because we're adding, we're doing part, add, part. So there's our 3. You could do it like this. It looks a bit like the dice then, doesn't it? Can you see the same? They're the same kind of shape. So 1, 2, 3, add 1, 2, 3 equals, you could do it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 add 3 equals 6. Or double 3 equals 6. The other way, of course, is doing it with actual numbers. So here we go again. There we go. And there we go. And there we go. And we could go 3, 3, and we know that 3 add 3 makes 6. So doubling is really, really simple. All you're doing is you're taking some dice, or in this case dice, and you're rolling them and seeing what number you can get. So this time I'm only going to roll 1 die, and we'll see what number we can get, and then we're going to have a go at doubling it. You ready? So here it goes. Here's my great rolling. Oh, what number is that? Can you count the dots? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we've got 5 dots there. So I know that actually I can double that quite easily by just making that into a part whole model like this. And I can already hear some of you saying, I know what double 5 is, Mr. Monroe. Well done if that's you. So there we go. So double 5, which just means 5. Add 5 makes, well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 makes 10. 10. So double 5 makes 10. We can keep doing this with different numbers on our dice. So let's try one more. Oops. Let's try. Oh, I've done 3, typical. Oh, the big one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That actually looks a bit like our Numicon plate. Do you remember the Numicons in school? Well, there we go. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wow, so what does 6 add 6 make? What does double 6 make? Well, let's count them. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 is the answer. So you can have really good fun with dice, adding them by doubling them. Okay, so that's one way of doubling. There are lots of other ways of doing it as well. And that's basically the whole idea of what doubling is. Taking a number and adding it. So if I had 10 and I wanted to double that, I'd have 10 add 10. Anyone know what that one is? Well, why don't you have a go at that at home? So guys, that's what we're learning today. We're learning about doubling and how to double numbers. You always double number by adding the same number again and again. Okay, so if it's a 4, okay, it's 4, add 4. Yep, or double 4 in this case. If it's a 9, you're doubling 9, you're going 9, add 9, or double 9. So nice and simple activity today. If you look on the blog, there is a PowerPoint with some ladybirds. So you'll see the ladybirds kind of looking a bit like this. Wow, Mr. Monroe, your ladybirds are pretty terrible. So there's my ladybird, and what ladybirds have are the spots there. And as you can see, that ladybird has 2 spots on this side and 2 spots on the other. Well, double 2 makes 4. So it's got 4 spots altogether. So you can look at the PowerPoint for that. There's also a few sheets for you to have a look at as well. So have a go at doubling. Show me your pictures on Twitter or on the blog. You can reply to those or email me. All ways I'm happy for. And have a go at some of the doubling. All right, team? Have fun, and I'll see you later. That's my thumb up. Look, yeah, keep doubling.